Imagine you losing everything you work for overnight. No app, no algorithm, no guru to follow. Just you, a crashing market, and a choice. One man faced that exact moment, and instead of giving up, he rewrote the rules of investing forever. This is the story of Benjamin Graham, the man who taught the world how to think. London, 1894. A boy in born into a world that will soon test him hard. His family moved to New York. His father dies young. Money vanished. Stability gone. But Benjamin, he reads everything. He questions everything. Columbia University, top of his class, hours pouring in from every direction. He chose Wall Street, and Wall Street will never be the same. The 1920 centuries, Graham is making money fast. He confident, maybe too confident. Then 1929 hits. The market collapses. The Great Depression swallows fortune whole. Graham loses almost everything he had built. But there, what separates legend from the rest? He did not ask why me, he asked, how do I make sure this never happens again? Graham had a revelation that sounds simple, but nobody had said it so clearly before. A stock is not just a number on a screen, it's a real of business. And sometimes when fear takes over, the market prices that business far below that what it's actually worth. So what do? You buy it, you wait, you let the logic play out. No hit, no tips, no girls feeling, no noise. Just math, patience, and ice cold discipline. He called the gap between price and real worth the margin of safety. 1949, Graham published what would become the most important investing book ever written, The Intelligent Investor. In it, he introduced one of the most powerful metaphors in financial history, Mr. Market. Picture a business partner who shows up every single day with an offer to buy your shares or you sell you his. Some days he is wildly optimistic, some days he complete panic. But here the things you do not have to listen to him. You are not obligated to act on his emotion. You can just wait for a good deal. The market is irrational. The investor does not have to be. Graham did not just invest, he thought. At Columbia, one student sat in his class, a young man from Nebraska named Warren Buffett. Buffett called Graham books the greatest investment book ever written, but he built his entire fortune on the foundation Graham laid. And Buffett was not alone. Investors around the world managing trillions of dollars track their thinking back to one man, Benjamin Graham. Benjamin Graham never chased the hot stock, never followed the crowd, never let fear make his decision. He turned one of his history world worst financial disaster into the greatest framework for building wealth the world has ever seen. The market will panic again, it will always does. The question is, will you panic with it, or will you remember what Graham thought? By the business you know its value, ignore the noise, be patient. That the whole story secrets. It is if this story moved you, share it with someone who needs to hear it, and subscribe, because next time we covering Graham exact strategy step by step.